Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you that my dog is cut she's hair, and it's actually awesome if you touch it because it will not spin and it's soft and it's soft and dry, which you're gonna want to watch. And if you touch him, it's so very soft. Look at his dog. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Let me show you. So here is she, and it's actually called awesome. Wow, our dog is too cute, and actually, we got get boring. So this, I bring this stuff on my VR, and the reason for the camera will not work. So bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch my other gaming videos, just subscribe. All you need is subscribe.